everyone, welcome to the best channel on YouTube. My name is Kate and this is the look that we are going to be doing today. So let's just jump right in and do this thing. Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Kate and this is going to be my first video on this channel. I'm just kind of playing with color with my makeup a little bit, and I'm going to be doing a voiceover for this video. I don't know how well this is going to go. I'm assuming it's going to be crappy because it's just my first video, but I really hope y'all enjoy this. So just jumping in a little bit about me. My name is Kate. I'm 24. I'm from Fort Worth, Texas. I'm currently the owner of katesmerch.com, and I'm an entrepreneur as well as a full-time accounting student. So I have a lot going on a day-to-day basis. This is actually my first YouTube video. I'm very excited. I started because I have a lot of chronic health issues and it's something new to learn. So I'm learning how to do the editing, how to do more cinematic shots. I am by no means a professional makeup artist, as you are going to see throughout this video and through future videos. I'm really just doing it because I always enjoy a new challenge. Right now, my goals are to complete my degree and to grow every aspect of my business. So right now I have a blog, I have my store, I'm creating courses, and now I'm starting YouTube. So I guess it's safe to say I'm pretty addicted to coffee at this point. My plan is to release a new YouTube video daily and talk more about like my entrepreneurial aspects of my life while I'm learning about makeup and trying really bright looks. That being said, I am not a patient person and I really do tend to push myself really hard, so I need to be sure not to burn myself out by making videos daily. I am really excited to get started because I think it could really help me out in the long run. And it looks like I'm starting to finish up my Rainbow Pride look. This is my finished look for this video. Thank you so much for watching my first YouTube video. If you would like to, please subscribe, leave a like or a comment. I'm going to try and respond to all of my comments on my future videos, so leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Go follow me at social media. My Instagram is The Kate Projects, as well as my Facebook and my Pinterest. If you're interested in my store, blog, or would like to start your own merchandise line, please visit katesmerch.com for all of your needs. And I will see y'all tomorrow with another video.